Hey guys, this is a contest entry for Budgieslover. I'm entering and I don't know what category I'm gonna do yet, so tell me what I'd be best at. And I'm just gonna do both. I guess this is to Budgieslover. Just choose which one I did best at. So first, I'm gonna do setup. Oh no, setup or animal. So yeah, again, choose that. Whatever I did best at. So first, I'm gonna do setup. And so yeah. So first, I'm gonna start with my substrate. Now I have some sphagnum moss in here, and he just took a poop. I'll have to clean that up. And some wood chips. And for a hide, I made him a custom hide out of clay. PM me if you want one. You have to subscribe to get it. And there's no unsubscribing after you get it, so sorry. No unsubscribing. So yeah, these will be on sale, so PM me if you want one of those. I need to clean the glass. It's all dirty from spraying it, but hopefully that doesn't count against me. I just recently sprayed it, and so I need to clean that off. I don't know why I didn't do it before I made the video, but oh well. So, next is this water bowl. Really, it's a sorbet bowl. I need to get an actual bowl, sort of thing. So yeah. And I mix, and I put a few drops of this in it. It's Riptide Safe. And it just does stuff to the water, puts in vitamins and all kind of, and purifies it. And so yeah, so I put that in the water. Just put a drop or two. And then for the plants, now I have this pretty cool live plant. I don't know what kind. And so yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's see, maybe it says it. No, it doesn't. And I have this really cool background that I got from my friend. And then I have this vine. It's a fake vine with some fake ivy on it. I'll sometimes climb on that. There's this calcium dish. So if he's feeling he needs some calcium, he goes over there. And so yeah. Oh, and here's his digital thermometer. As you can see, it goes through here onto that probe. So that's pretty much, oh, and this is a 10-gallon tank. But yeah, that's pretty much the setup, and then getting to the gecko. Now, again, choose. I know you only do one or the other, but I'm still He's stuck between a nice little pillow and a soft place, opposite of rock and a hard place. So here's my day gecko. See if I can get a good clip of him. He's really a bright green, but you can't really see with this camera. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a quick little feeding video if you don't mind. I hope that doesn't count against me. And get some crickets for him, and yeah. So I have my crickets and my little thing where I dust them. And I have some calcium with D3 mixed with Vionate. Now I am gonna open this up and put this down for a sec. I'm just gonna shake this in. Put the top on that. Screw the top on that. And so yeah. Shake this. Open it up. First time, take off this light and the top of this tank. Let's open this up and oh no. Don't worry, he didn't ingest any of it. Caught it. Awesome gecko. And so, yeah. So there he is. He's a lot brighter green than it looks in this video. But yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. Hope I win. And again, just pick whatever, Budgieslover, just pick whatever thing I'd do best at, and he'll eat any. He's probably gonna eat all these crickets in just a sec. He'll usually eat anything living in his tank. So yeah, besides his plant. So yeah, and he loves to climb the glass. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. Hope I win and you choose which one I'd go in best at. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you.